HR tech is really now again getting into a huge amount of notice, because organizations have not been investing a lot in the human resource domain, whether it's by way of engaging with practitioner, engaging with consultants, or engaging with tools. What has now started happening with a lot of technology enablement coming everywhere, HR tech products have also started adding a lot of value, which organizations have started now utilizing and seeing that this can really change the way they do business. So when choosing the HR tech product, what is it that you as an organization should be focused on? What is a HR tech product? Now, HR tech is any product which is helping you or assisting you as an organization manage your human resources, which means manage your people. It could be as simple as ensuring that they are marking their attendance, to it could be as complex as something which is trying to build a competency framework and recommending to you who are the people who are eligible to be promoted. So systems are huge, systems are varied, and systems work on various systems, various models, various technologies. In terms of starting a journey, it is important for you to know that there are systems which are built purely in terms of data repositories, which means they collate the systems and build them in a singular system, which used to be called as databases or database management systems. We do have some systems like that even existing today, which could be a little enhanced version of Microsoft Excel or any other spreadsheet system where you are maintaining or managing the data in terms of the records. Then you have systems which build in automation. Automation meaning they can carry out certain processes, like telling an employee what kind of a leave balance they have if an employee applies for a leave on a system. So there's no basic AI enablement in this, but it's an automatic system. And the backend, what it is doing when an employee applies, all it is doing a calculation that if this is the amount of leave the individual had as a balance, and when they apply, they just subtract it and tell the employee you get X amount of leave. This automation may involve processes which we call as workflows, that it goes to a supervisor who approves it or rejects it, and then the system runs. Like this, you will have multiple systems. Could be related even to your confirmation process, could be related to employee leave requests, letters, even to the increment processes. So practically you have standard or the basic systems which we call as database management systems. Then we have automation systems, which I would call in the middle system, which can run a lot of automatic tasks, processes. And then we have now what we're calling as AI systems or decision making systems. I am today using the AI and data science together, which means that those systems can also support you in a lot of data science related matters, because AI and data science in the end are going hand in glove, so they both contribute toward the same thing. But yes, some systems do not have those outputs, but yes, this would be a together kind of an output we are using for our discussion today. So practically speaking, whatever be the level of development in your third model, AI data science models, but the point is you have HR tech products which are right now focusing a lot on this. So as an organization, you need to decide which journey do I need to step into. Do I need to step into database management? Database ensure that you have valid, strong data. You should be very, very clear that unless you have a strong data, unless you have strong employee records, strong systems of managing and recording data, your entire journey of automation and AI is not going to be exciting, and it's not going to add value the way you want to add value. So it is good that you can choose to get into whichever bracket or whichever bucket you want to, but the simplest thing is that you should have a great amount of knowledge and great amount of investment in your data. Data means what and how am I recording my employee transactions? What am I, how am I managing those transactions? Because it is only those which are going to give you a automation, and it is only those which are going to give you a AI or a data science kind of a product. So this journey is where we are today in HR tech products, and there are a lot of organizations which offer very exciting and wonderful products in all the three domains. As an organization, it is not necessary for you to get into any one of the buckets. It's your journey. You need to choose where you are in terms of readiness, and you need to start your journey. However, one of the things that we would really want you to be aware of that as an organization, if today you do not have a HR tech product, you are almost lagging behind quite a lot. You should be having some or the other kind of an HR tech product. You should have started your HR tech journey, whether it is at database management system, whether it is at automation, or whether it is AI levels. It is a call you can take as a business, but your HR tech journey should have started by now. If not, I think it's a great time for you to look at various vendors, have your discussions, and see how you can start attributing some of your people processes with the partnership of a HR tech product.